Dear students, now we are going to talk about the second scholar of the perspective of uh, mediatization. His name is Frederick Krotz. Let's see the brief introduction of the Frederick Krotz. Frederick Krotz is a German communication scientist, sociologist, and mathematician. He is a professor emeritus for social communication and mediatization research at the University of Bremen. His research interest is dealt with the changes in the media and the consequences of for people everyday life, culture, and society. So basically, he works on the impact of the media on society, on the social institutions, and on the lives of the people. When we see mediatization as a concept in the eye of the Professor Courts, he defines it as a historical, ongoing, long term process in which more and more media emerge and are institutionalized. So, he believes that the development of the media is an ongoing process. It's not going to stop. It's a ongoing process. It means that the media will develop and emerge over the period of the time. And if we see today's media, it may be a latest kind of media for us. But when we will see after 50 years, the media of that time may be entirely different of today's media. Just like today's media is entirely different from the previous 50 years. So the media as an institution is developing itself and changing itself with the development of the science and technology and the development in the society. So he treats mediatization as a meta process on a par with individualization and globalization. So for Professor Koch, mediatization is not a micro level process. It's a macro level process. It means that it's a kind of a process that has a significant impact on the society, and media cannot viewed as a smaller social institution. It's a larger social institution, and its consequences is as larger as the consequences of globalization. So when we talk about the globalization is a global phenomena. It's not a national level or a regional level phenomena. So same is the case with the media. Media is now a global industry, and media has now a global outreach, and media has now global consequences. So, Professor Quartz also says that mediatization is always bound in time and to cultural context. So, we, whenever study the institution of the media and the process of the mediatization, it's embedded in the culture of the society. If we are talking about the European society, the media of the European society is embedded according to the normative structure of European society. And when we are talking about Asian societies, so the media of the Asian societies is emerged and playing its role as per the normative structure of these societies. Same is the case with the Pakistani media. Pakistani media is somehow the reflection of our normative structure, and they are reinforcing the normative structure of the Pakistani culture. He conceives of mediatization as an ongoing process whereby the media change human relations and behavior and thereby change society and culture. So he also says that media plays its role in the development of the society, in the so in bringing social change in the society by changing the culture and the individual behaviors of the people living in a particular society. Thank you.